Having carpet in our home is a personal preference. I love the appearance it adds to my decor color and textures, the style and the feel of curling up in front of the fireplace on a chilly day. Your carpet can actually last you for years if you properly clean and maintain it. I have some tips on how I keep my carpet clean and fresh. I like to keep a cleaning caddy on hand filled with all of my carpet essentials because when a spill hits, you really need to be ready for it if you can help it. This cleaning caddy is from Grove Collaborative. I will have a link down below in case you guys want one. And on the other side of the caddy, I use peel and stick letters that I got from Joann's stores on the caddy so everyone will know it's for carpet accidents. Vacuum often, that's the obvious, but it really helps to keep your carpet clean, and it also helps to keep it looking brand new. How often, you ask? Well, vacuuming depends on the amount of foot traffic you have in your home and whether you have kids and pets on the daily. It just depends. So if you are obsessed with carpet lines, like me, you still have to maintain your carpet with a little TLC by doing a deep cleaning, a trusted brand that I've always been using for years. I highly recommend this carpet cleaner. It's the ProHeat 2x Healthy Home Pet. Now, I do not have any pets, but I can tell you, if it can tackle a pet mess, it can handle household messes. It has dual brushes and a heating element to get those tough stains out, and you can get it from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, or Target, along with the cleaning solutions that fits your needs. So if you do not have a carpet cleaner, I highly recommend that you invest in one. Rentals can cost you about $22 to $25 per hour. Then you're rushing to take it back on time, and when you get a mess or a wine spill or something like that, you just go into your cleaning closet and clean your carpet. No lines, no wait. Spills are inevitable. It's a given that you will get them. The trick is to take care of it immediately. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to remove the stain. Never rub. Blot with a paper towel or a clean cloth. I always use baby diapers because they are absorbent. They soak up liquids very quickly. You can get a pack of 4 from Babies R Us for $9.99. I also use them as cleaning cloths as well. I'm using Bissell Advanced Deep Clean and Protect, and I also use this Oxi Boost formula enhancer. And all you do is simply add this along with the formula. The enhancer creates a reaction to remove set-in stains. Another tip while cleaning your carpet and when you're vacuuming is to go in a W motion like you see what I'm doing here, making sure you get all of the fibers. If you don't have a no-shoe rule in your home, to prevent your carpet from getting dirty, lay mats or area rugs or grates in front of your door to help trap in that dirt. I also lay mats in high traffic areas in my home, especially when entering and leaving the kitchen. When company comes, I remove it so everyone is safe. Off the kitchen is our patio. This area gets tons of use all year round. The patio is covered so the dirt is really at a minimum. But I also use mats that are also kept at the door, keeping as much dirt out as I can. So I hope my tips were very helpful to you. Leave me a comment if you own a Bissell carpet cleaner and tell me what you think of it. If you're not following me over on Instagram, I would love to have you. Just click on that blue button so you don't miss my lifestyle posts. And I want to thank you all for watching.